Welcome to Gigglemelon Kids. Come and sing, learn and play. They're magic words, do you know them? Words that make the world glow when you show them. Kind words, they're the key. Gigglemelon Kids, sing them with me. When you want something, what do you say? Please is the magic word of the day. Please, may I have a snack right now? Please is the word, and here is how. Say it gently, say it clear. Please is the sweetest word to hear. Please, 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 it works like a charm. Please is a word that does no harm. When you ask, use your please. Say it softly, put them at ease. Please, 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 every time. Please is the magic in this rhyme. Please and thank you, magic words, kindest words that can be heard. Sorry, excuse me, you're welcome too. Magic words are good for you. Say them every single day. Magic words will light your way. Please and thank you, shining bright. Magic words make everything right. When someone gives you something nice, thank you. Say it once or twice. Thank you for the present you gave. Thank you is the word of the brave. Look them in the eyes and say, thank you. Thank you makes their whole bright day. Thank you from the heart. Thank you is the kindest art. When someone helps you, what do? You look right at them. Thank you, big and bright. Thank you turns the world to light. Please and thank you, magic words, kindest words that can be heard. Sorry, excuse me, you're welcome too. Magic words are good for you. Say them every single day. Magic words will light your way. Please and thank you, shining bright. Magic words make everything right. Sometimes accidents happen. Oh no! Oops, you bump someone and feelings show. Sorry is the word you need. Sorry helps a hurt heart heal indeed. Look them in the eyes. Say sorry true. Sorry makes it better through and through. Sorry from the heart. Sorry is a healing art. Excuse me when you need to pass. Excuse me lets you through at last. Excuse me at the dinner table. Excuse me whenever you are able. When someone says thank you to you, smile. You're welcome is what you say, it's true. You're welcome, kind and bright. You're welcome makes the world feel right. It means I was happy to help you today. You're welcome, sending kindness on its way. You're welcome, warm and true. You're welcome says I care for you. Magic words